got some cute business names. The Teddy Bear Tribe. And it's with DA, the Teddy Bear Tribe. Okay. Ooh. This is so cute. It's like $100 bill. Girl, is this real? Girl, did you send me real money? She sent me $100 bill with her sticker over it. She also sent me a business card. And she has her QR code in the box. That's different. Ooh, I hope I didn't mess it up. Oh my God. No, you didn't, girl. No, you didn't. These are my very first pair of teddy bear slides. Like, I have always wanted these and I have a supplier for them, but I just never ordered them because I was actually going to sell them, but I've never owned my own pair. And right when I wanted to order from her, that's when the shipping rates went up. That's when I couldn't order it because I'm not just about to buy like one pair. These are so cute. And you sent them in my favorite color. I'm gonna have so much fun with these. And it's not just like the regular ones. Like, it got the dollar signs on them. Like, thank you. It's about to get cold. I got me some teddy bear slide Onyx. These are not your friends. You're not about to be playing with my teddy bear slides, okay? Because you ran over here like, this is for you, this is mine. Okay? But thank you so much for these. And her Instagram name is, where did it go? Her Instagram name is the Teddy Bear Tribe. So definitely check her out if you need some fur slides. Like, these are super hot chocolate. This one is from Alexis Taylor.